If you see it, saw it with Sun Joe. Cut your tree trimming tasks down to size and tackle those tough-to-reach branches with ease with the Sun Joe SWJ803E telescoping electric pole chainsaw. Sun Joe takes the danger and difficulty out of trimming your overgrown trees. Stand safely on solid ground and simply adjust SWJ803E's telescoping pole to gain up to 14 feet of overhead reach. Powered by a robust 8-amp motor, the SWJ803E's multi-angle adjustable head can handle the most stubborn brush, branches, limbs, and logs, up to 9.5 inches thick. And Sun Joe features a durable 10-inch organ bar and chain with a convenient self-lubricating feature for when you're really in the thick of things. It's perfect for post-storm cleanup, pruning overhanging limbs, or clearing dense underbrush. Plus, unlike gas-powered tools, SWJ803E is completely electric, so you'll power up reliably and instantly at the push of a button without having to deal with smoke, fumes, unpredictable starters, or costly tune-ups. Plus, the SWJ803E comes equipped with a built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starting. And Sun Joe comes with a full 2-year warranty for worry-free operation season after season. So, let gravity do the work and go with Joe. The SWJ803E 10-inch 8-amp electric pole chainsaw from Sun Joe. Get equipped.